The 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross facelift has made its debut. Visual updates bring the popular Asean-market SUV closer to the Corolla Cross sold in other markets, and changes include redesigned full LED headlamps as seen on the Japanese and European market models. Interior kit upgrades for the facelift see the arrival of an electric parking brake in place of the pre-facelift's foot-operated mechanical item, which also means the gain of automatic brake hold functionality. Here, driver instrumentation for the HEV Premium Luxury variant upwards get the 12.3-inch full digital display, and all variants gain the 10.1-inch touchscreen unit that support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.